The last part we need to create for our slider assembly is the slider itself. So we'll begin with a 1 by 1.5 box, and we're essentially just taking out 1/4 inch chunks in these corners, and then we're going to put a tapped hole, 1/4 hole down through the center there. So I'll close this one up and open up a new standard IPT again, and we'll start on any one of those work planes. We'll begin with our box that is 1.5 tab 1, and then you can just do another rectangle and pop those in. If you want to type in, you can type in 0.25 tab 0.25. This one I did not do that, so I'll have to add a couple of dimensions on there. So make those 0.25. I got an extra one in there that I don't need, and that's okay. I'm ready to do my extrusion now, so I will extrude this. The distance from the plans calls for 1.5 inches, and then we will put a hole in there. I'm just going to go right to the hole tool. Again, this is already green. If it's red, click on it to make it red. If it's not open, open up Input Geometry. Click around where you want the hole. The last one we did was 1/4 and it was threaded. So threaded, 1/4. Again, through all, the total height on this one is also 1. So that'll be our thread distance. We need to center the hole. So I'm going to click on this edge and make that 0.75. And then I'm going to click on this edge, and that would be 0.5 off of that edge. And then I can hit OK. I can change the color and go ahead and get this one saved up. And we're going to call this one slider. We'll pick up on the last video, which is assembly.